The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Example of a Mathematical Operation in the Same Column of the Abacus. In this video, let us demonstrate how mathematical operations involving digits become necessary not only between the columns but within the column too, involving the upper and lower abacus. Let us demonstrate this with the addition of a 6-digit number with a 4-digit number. Let us take 150,711 plus 4,304. Let us set the number 150,711 in the extreme right of the abacus. The number 1 is set in the units column, 1 in the tens column, 7 in the hundreds column, 0 in the thousands column, 5 in the 10,000s column, and 1 in the 100,000s column. The number 4304 may be set on the left side of the abacus for reference if necessary. Otherwise, the child can remember this number or the child can make a note of it on paper too. If the child wants to set this number by adding 2 zeros to the front as the other number is also a 6-digit number, that can be done too. In that case, the number can be set in the extreme left side of the abacus as 0, 0, 4, 3, 0, 4. As already mentioned, there is no hard and fast rules about setting the second number in the abacus. It can be done only for reference purposes. Now let us start adding the numbers from the highest digits. That means 0 should be added with 1, which does not make any difference in the result. Let us move to the 10,000s column, where the number 0 of 004,304 should be added with the number 5, and again there is no change in the result. At this stage too, the number is 150,711. Let us go to the thousands column. Now the real addition starts. Now the number 4 of 4304 should be added with the number 0 of 150,711. That means you simply add 4 beats in the thousands column. Now let us see the result at this stage. It is 154,711. Let us go to the hundreds column. Here the number 3 should be added with the number 7 of 150,711. There are only 2 beats left in the lower abacus, whereas we have to add 3. Therefore, we have to go to the thousands column and add 1 bead there. It is not a straightforward addition of bead here. In the lower abacus of the thousands column, 4 beads have been used, and therefore you have to go to the upper abacus. You move the single bead of the upper abacus towards the separation bar. That means you have added 5, and in this case you have to clear 4 from the same column. 4 from the same column. This is like a mathematical operation within another mathematical operation. The problem is not over yet. instead of 3 in the hundreds column, you have added 1 in the thousands column, and therefore you have to reduce from the hundreds column number 7. So there are only 7 beats set there, and you have to clear all of them. At this stage, the value is 1 5 5 0 1 1. Let us go to the tens column. Here in the number 4304, it is 0, and in the number 150711, it is 1. So that means there is no change in the value, and the number remains as 155011. Finally, the unit digit of 4304 should be added with the unit digit 1 of the number 150,711. So here too there is an operation within the operation, and let us demonstrate. We have to add 4 in the units column, whereas we have only 3 beads left in the lower abacus. Therefore, we have to go to the upper abacus and move the only bead available there towards the separation bar. That means we have added 5 instead of 4. Consequently, 1 bead should be cleared from the lower abacus. So when we do this, we get the number as 155015. Let us do that in the normal addition. It is 1 plus 4, 5, 1 and 0, 1, 7 and 3, it is 10. So take 1 to the next column. So add it with the 4, that is 5, and then in the 10,000s column, it is 5 and 0, that is 5, and 100,000 column, it is 1. So you get the result as 155015. This example provides an opportunity to the learners to understand that in operation, to add number may not happen only with the higher digit columns, and may happen involving the only bead of the upper abacus and beads of the lower abacus in the same column.